We, at Mr. Money Press, consider it an honor to have you as a member. With each video we release, you can anticipate learning fresh advice regarding the most recent reviews and techniques for making money online. Here, we regularly research the best performers from across the world. These span a wide range of topics, such as technology, investment, stocks, Bitcoin, and many more. In this video, you will learn how to earn $12 for every song you listen to. That's awesome, right? When I was in school, I constantly listened to music everywhere I went and I wasn't getting paid for it. I really wish I could find some videos like this at that time. I can really make some good money working from home in my spare time, without even leaving my couch, with nothing but a smartphone. I mean, this is insane. It's completely free and works in almost every country. What you're about to witness in the next 10 minutes will astound you. Let's watch this video. I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Make sure to watch the video till the end. Step number 1. Go to google.com, type in the keyword playlist push, and press the search button. Click on the first website that appears at the top, Playlists Push Playlists Music Pitching Service. When you click on that link, the website will look exactly like this. As seen here, connecting artists to playlist curators. So, this is the website where you can earn $12 for each song you listen to. However, there are a few strategies or websites that I'd like to share with you throughout the video. And if you can combine all of them, you can effectively increase, multiply, or even triple the amount of money you can make on a single website for free. So, the more tips and strategies you're able to take away from this video and actually apply, the more money you'll be able to make. I'd like to show you some statistics and numbers from their actual website. There are over 800 curators from around the world that are earning money by listening to music on this platform. They have appeared on many major brands and companies, including Medium and Fortune. There are numerous positive testimonials and reviews about this website. And that's why I'm sharing this opportunity with you. Step number 2. In the top right-hand corner, click the For Creators button. You'll see Discover New Music for your playlists on the next page. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see Get Paid to Review Songs. And we pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, you can consider adding it to one of your playlists. That's where you can earn $12 for every single song. And consider this. If you earn $12 per song, what if you listen to 10 songs per day? Every day, just listening to music earns you about $120. I mean, how awesome is that?
Wow!
You can do so many different things with that money. You can plan your next vacation, pay your bills, and make your car payment. There are literally countless ways to spend that money. I'll show you exactly how to do this. The best part about this website is that they pay out on a weekly basis. There are different websites that either pay out every month or have a minimum withdrawal limit. However, this website pays out every Friday without fail, and they will deposit funds directly into your PayPal account. It's not some point system that converts, or gift cards, or anything like that. Just some cold hard cash deposited into your PayPal account. However, there is one catch to this method. You must have at least 400 followers on Spotify, Deezer, or Apple Music. I'll show you the step-by-step instructions, the free website, and the various methods that you can use immediately after watching this video. If you combine them all, you can easily gain 400 followers from the ground up. Okay, all you have to do is stick with me until the end of this video, and you'll learn how to gain 400 Spotify followers. This is what we'll be concentrating on in today's video, because it's much easier than Deezer and Apple Music. After you've gained your first 400 Spotify followers, you can listen to music and write a 1 to 2 minute review. Simply add those songs to your existing playlist, and you'll be able to earn $12 again and again. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you put in the effort the way we show you how, you'll gain those followers, and then it'll be really easy money for you. I'll show you the actual strategy, and a few websites, where you can quickly gain 400 followers. I will show you how to sign up for a free account. I want you to click on the Sign Me Up button, and then on the next page, click on Sign Up as a curator. You can see, sign up using your Spotify, and I want you to click on that right now. When you click on it, you'll be taken to the Spotify website. If you already have a Spotify account, simply log in or use your Facebook account. If you don't have an account on Spotify, simply click on Sign Up for Spotify, and enter your email address, password, contact number, date of birth, male or female, and click on I'm Not a Robot to sign up for a free Spotify account. To access the Playlist Push account, you must have a Spotify account. After you reach 400 followers, you will be able to review different songs, and you will be paid $12 for each one, which will be deposited into your PayPal account every week. The first website I'd like to introduce to you today is reddit.com/r/Spotify, which is a free forum. As you can see, there are already over 498,000 members, and there are more than 300 people online right now on this forum, looking for, participating in, and posting discussions. As you can see, there are a lot of playlists that people share on this forum. Scroll down to see how many playlists there are. They are currently making a Spotify playlist with a theme, possibly hip-hop. Perhaps it is about acoustic guitar, or perhaps it is about space soundscapes. They create a playlist, then copy and share it on Reddit forums. And they'll get a lot of views and impressions, and some people might follow them on Spotify. This is how they get free followers. Everyone who joins this forum is interested in music, and there's a good chance they'll follow your playlist. Simply add something really good to your playlist. Add a few songs to that playlist and share them on reddit.com/r/Spotify. This is the first method for gaining the first 400 followers. If you want to sign up for a free account here on reddit.com, simply click on Sign Up, and in a new window, enter your email address, password, and click Register to create a free account. You can begin posting and sharing your playlist on the website once you have created an account. Let us now move on to the second website, playlists.net, where you can basically share, post, and upload your playlist. This website contains different kinds of playlists and musical genres. Many people enjoy music, and they will visit this website to listen to various playlists. You're going to get a lot of followers from this website. All of these websites are simple to use once you create a free account. Once you've created your playlist, simply go to this website and share it, and you'll be able to gain a lot of followers in a matter of 3 to 4 days. Lastly, let's go with the third website, soundplate.com, where you can basically promote a Spotify playlist and gain a lot of followers. Simply click on the plus playlist button, and you'll see Grow Your Spotify or Deezer playlist with our website and free submission system. This is very similar to playlists.net. These are all the 3 methods that you can combine all together. Number 1. reddit.com/r/Spotify. Number 2. playlists.net. Number 3. soundplate.com. You can quickly gain your first 400 followers by sharing your Spotify playlist on these 3 websites. Once you've done that, you'll be able to start qualifying as a curator on playlistpush.com and begin some paid per review, $12 per song, paid weekly into your PayPal account. That's all for today, guys. Anyway, which website and strategy do you want the most? Tell us in the comments section, and assuming you loved this video, kindly snap the like, subscribe, and the bell to get notifications on new videos when they are posted. Until next time.